Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach ravioli sauce. We'll begin with a classic, simple sauce that truly lets the ravioli shine. You'll want to gather fresh, high-quality ingredients, as they are the foundation of any delicious dish. A basic butter and sage sauce is a fantastic starting point, offering a delicate flavor that won't overpower your homemade or store-bought spinach ravioli. It's quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. Next, let's explore a richer, creamier option for your spinach ravioli. This sauce adds a wonderful indulgence, perfect for a special meal. Begin by melting butter, then slowly whisk in heavy cream until it thickens slightly. Grated Parmesan cheese is a must here, adding a salty, umami depth. A tiny pinch of freshly grated nutmeg can really bring out the creaminess and add a subtle warmth to the sauce, making it truly irresistible. For those who prefer a heartier option, a tomato-based sauce is a fantastic choice. This sauce offers a vibrant contrast to the spinach filling. Start by sautéing finely diced onion and minced garlic until fragrant. Then, add high-quality crushed tomatoes and let it simmer gently. Fresh basil leaves, torn or chopped, should be stirred in towards the end of cooking. This brings a lovely freshness and aromatic quality that perfectly complements the rich tomato flavor. Finally, let's talk about bringing it all together for the perfect serving. Once your ravioli are cooked al dente, use a slotted spoon to transfer them directly into your prepared sauce. Gently toss to coat every piece evenly. Before serving, a sprinkle of fresh parsley or more grated Parmesan cheese adds both visual appeal and extra flavor. Remember to serve your delicious spinach ravioli immediately to enjoy it at its absolute best, warm and comforting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.